Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Now I understand what's going on. Mr. Wheeler, the thief isn't spooky, it's lightning.
What am I gonna do now? I'll have to reverse.
Not too bad. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
One, two, three. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Where'd he go? Excuse me, mister.
En route.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right behind. Oh, put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
McQueen, is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
Ain't that time to shoot?
Correction acknowledged. Deploying chute.
I haven't had a chance to find out, but I'm going to find out. Hello.
dramatically expanded, causing the engine block to crank under the stress.
Come on, you know who you're talking to? This is Lightning McQueen. I can handle anything.
Yes, I am Mr. Special Steam, and I'm very proud of it.
As crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd...
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
I hereby dub thee.
Hello, hey! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco like.
They're working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
McQueen tiene que alcanzarlo. Está intentando por dentro.
that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
Here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama!
Queen is very sad.
Move up, lap after lap, inside, outside, inches apart, never touching. Now that's racing.